Hello, let's start this video. I just wanted to start from my TradingView page. You already know the indicator script ideas are available in my page. You can simply click here in the search button and type Marx Babu. You get two names. The first one is mine. By clicking into this page, and there you will find all the script that I posted and ideas that time to time. Primarily, I just wanted to show two of the indicator that is majorly used by the trading communities. The one is PM Scalper Alert. This also have strategy version, but the Scalper Alert version is the one used for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes scalp trading. This is almost similar to the long buy long sell indicator, but it varies in its functionality. So the remaining CPR, 1 minute scalper, and all what you see is private indicator not shared with anyone. So you can pretty much request me to provide a trial test access for this scalper alert indicator as well as for long buy long sell indicator. So this one also alert indicator and its corresponding strategy indicator is here. Likewise, for profit maximizer, the corresponding strategy indicator is here. We had other indicators earlier, like confirmation indicator. This confirmation indicator now being integrated with the long buy long sell indicator. So you don't need to add it separately. Before inventing or before introducing this long buy long sell indicator, we had two indicator, that is sell to buy to sell indicator and buy to sell to buy indicator. These two indicator we had. Here the challenge is that when you take sell order, you have to disable this buy indicator, and when you take a buy order and track the position, you have to disable this sell indicator. Just to avoid clicking and going back and forth, I predominantly improved this long buy long sell indicator to have everything in place. But still, it is good to use the sell to buy indicator as well as buy to sell indicator. The advantage of these two indicators is that it gives the signal somewhat early than the long buy long sell indicator. Okay. I just wanted to give this a brief and then we will quickly go into the chart of seeing some more additional information or settings available that would definitely help all of us to take a good trade. Okay. Remember the profit maximizer scalper alert indicator and long buy long sell indicator are the predominantly used indicator, which is also working good. If you see the likes comments, you can go through the comments, check the comments provided 1 or 2 years before, then you come to know the power of this indicator. Okay, now I have already added both long buy long sell indicator and profit maximizer indicator. In addition to that, we have volume enabled in this. I also have one another volume, but both of the volume is doing the same kind of functionality. But for better clarity of my trade, I have this. But now let me disable this. With one volume, we will continue. Okay. And here is the setting. If you want to see a chart like my chart, then this is the setting you would need to do. Enable this body and wick only, which will chop out all the side, top, left, and bottom overlay. Then we get very clear output. Okay. And wick, we know we can make any color here, but for simplicity and not to irritate my eyes, I chose the wick as this color so that it will be very mild. So pretty much by doing this, we come to know the chart with clarity, right? And status line, logo, fine. If you don't want logo, you just disable it, it will go off. Here the logo is gone. Title definitely we need, otherwise we don't know which one we have chosen. So title we are putting, and in the title they are providing multiple things like a ticker and other things. So whatever we need, ticker and description, if we need, we can choose. So for me, it is a description I need. So I just selected it. Open market status. It shows here the open market status as open. If market is in closed state, this would become a red. Open, high, low, close values definitely we need, along with percentage change and the volume. So since the volume already shown, it's not shown here, right? If you want volume there, we can enable. So the volume also coming. Last day change values also we can enable. So whatever you need, enable this and then store it. The argument values and these things I disable. Otherwise, whatever the argument and value coming from these two indicator will be shown here, which is not needed, so I disable. And scale, pretty much we can change this according to your need. Just to play around with this input and then take it forward. So this is pretty much what I want as a setting that I have done already. If you want to change anything, change it. The background and all I have set, so that the output of the chart will be very very clear for me. The margins on the top, bottom, right, I have set so that I get better view. See, when I change this top and bottom, the chart is little moving up and down, right? I felt 5 is good for me, so I kept it. Bottom and right also I kept. And I'll quickly go through all of this. If you want to follow the settings what I have done, you can easily follow. And considering the time, I just close this setting here. This is the layout setting. Since I added the previous day change and volume, let me save the layout also, so that next time when I want the same layout to be appeared, I can go to this load layout and choose this one, right? So what I basically wanted to explain in this video is about the extra strength meter, the confirmation indicator I was talking in the beginning of this video, right? That is what integrated as strength meter. It doesn't mean that as it is we integrated, we have added extra enhancement and integrated it, right? So this is little old version, version 1.25. That's why we are seeing like this. But in the latest 1.31 version, um, the same things given, but it is put in a kind of box format so that it is easy for all of us to understand and click it. So you see here, right? Enable to get strength display only above 5, which means when this is enabled, then if at all there is a strength meter of 5 and above, then only it will be displayed. See here, there are somewhere we get only one strength meter. In other place, there is only two or three. So just to avoid showing unnecessary strength meter, we just need to enable this so that whenever within two candles more than 5 strength meter is appearing, then only it will display. Clicking this out will show all the strength meter wherever it is appearing, right? See here, I just disabled it, and some of the noisy strength meter displayed here and there gone. So each one of this is a strength meter. Enable strength meter one signal. What is this? When we enable, we get wherever the logic is met, we get a display as one. Likewise, two signal, three signal, or given as 1, 2, 3. If signal is not coming, then it will not appear here. We also have two additional strength meter, that is price plus price minus. The price minus will appear in the top, price plus will appear in the bottom. Likewise, strength direction, that is D plus and D minus. D plus will appear in the bottom, D minus would appear in the top. Up price and down downfall, right? These also given wherever the condition is met, you see a downfall which is coming in the top and uprise in the bottom. I just wanted to show one example of the uprise. It is here somewhere, I will show you for sure. Look at the color. When the downfall signal appearing, it comes in red color. Likewise, the uprise will come in green color. We also enabled parabolic SAR and one adaptive moving average. These are all the strength meter. So how many strength meter we have? One, two. So totally there are eight strength meter. So in this, when the strength meter is more than 5, then it will appear here, which means within two candles the logic must be met to show this, otherwise it will not come. Okay, if we disable this, wherever the strength meter is coming, everywhere it will display. See here, 3 is coming, 3 alone coming here, 1 is coming there, and somewhere here 2 we got, and here we got only 2, and price positive, up price likely alone come here. So these kind of things are happening, right? When we enable this, you see all of this noise gone away. You can either enable or disable, depends on your strategy. Now I set it as enable so that whenever there is 5 or more than 5, then only it will appear. Okay. So this is pretty much the strength meter setting. Other setting we will see in another video. I try to explain in another video. Now, in the previous video, I have given you the update how to take a trade based on the parabolic SAR, and also touched upon the point of this green star, right? In this video, I just wanted to quickly convey the message how we can utilize this strength meter to be very confident on the trade taken or to take the trade. Okay. So as I said, look for the strength meter which will be more than 5. So 1, 2, 3, which means it is 3 strength meter. P is considered as 1 strength meter, 4 strength meter, 5 strength meter, parabolics are 6 strength meter appearing here. So when we go for a short and this kind of strength meter is appearing, then it is adding very confidence that the price will be likely in our prediction, which means this will go down. Okay, so make use of this one. Likewise, in the bottom side, if you see, there is star, green star, P star, 2 P plus, up price likely come here, right? So this is the place we can go for a trade. You already know the basic of long buy long sell indicator. From red to green, you could take positive long trade, and from green to red, you could take short trade. And in addition to that, when you see such strength meter is appearing in this candle or before candle, then it is value addition for us to be very confident of taking this trade. Okay, this is the information or the message I wanted to convey to you all, and I conveyed in this session. Moving forward, there are many hidden good feature available with long by long sell indicator that I try to cover, so that it would definitely help you all to be a good trader, and you can also avoid your emotions while you are in a trade, whether to close it or should I continue. All these questions will go away when you follow it up. Okay, so this is it. Maybe I can talk about this green line and red line, which is a kind of support and resistance automatically plotted, that also you can use as an indication when to cut out your position or can you continue your position still further, right? So since the length of this video is little high or longer, I wanted to close this video here. We will connect again with another video and explain more and more good and tactical feature available with this indicator that would definitely help you to be a correct and profitable trader. Okay, thank you so much for listening this and watching this video. I will meet you in one another video soon. Thank you. Have a good time.